Hey guys, Dave here from Waldor, and we are here basically second weekend, I guess, already in November. I know you guys have been looking for eBay stuff and probably for divisions. Unfortunately, a busy place here the last couple of weeks because we're moving everything from outside. We put thousands of plants outside every summer. We're right up against our cold snap coming in, so we're moving everything in the last couple of weeks. So things are busy here. We're trying to get back online a little bit. We are be doing bare root this week. I don't know how much longer that's going to go. We will start to offer some things in pots and all as we go. We did put eBay on, listed it late, started Thursday night. I think it's actually ending Tuesday night. There may be a few things going through Sunday. So keep an eye on when the listings are actually ending. Some of them are going to be different this week. They're not all going to end at the same time. So check that out. Also, we are going to put up some divisions this week. So about to list these things. They'll be coming online later today. Today is Saturday. They'll be popping online later today. So keep an eye out for it. We got some cool stuff. Hawaiian Blue Skies Chelsea. Beautiful plant from Lee Nakanishi. I believe this is Americlone, but Blue Cattleya, tall stem. Medium-sized flowers. It's a goodie. One of my favorite plants, this is Burbanii, Sentinel Surprise, original plant from Sentinel Orchids, front lead division, real chunky, a nice root system. This is like real rich, hot pink flowers. It's absolutely beautiful. I'll definitely check that out. This got an award of merit and just tested clean in 2021, so a couple years ago. Don't always test stuff. If they've been tested the last couple of years, things can routinely test clean for us. I don't test everything. Same case here. This is Dinsmore Perfection from 1941. This original piece. Did not test this piece recently. I think it was tested probably 4 or 5 years ago, but these routinely test clean for me. But beautiful plant there. Beringiana. This is Odom's Orchids too. I know people look for dark Beringianas. I got a couple pieces, I think 3 going up this week. We showed this for judging last month. The color on this one, by far the darkest one we have. The dark lip that you normally see on a dark form of Beringiana, this whole flower is that color. So it's an amazing plant. I would say, in my opinion, the darkest Beringiana. These are really studly plants, beautiful chunks of plants. Should take real easy in some new pots. So definitely check out the Beringianas this week. This is a Puella Polka Dots, Exotic Orchids, has an HCC. We actually got the award on this. It's a beautiful pink with spots on it. Compact plant by foliate. It's a real beautiful thing, and like I said, this is a Americlone that we got awarded back a couple years ago. So check that out if you're into those compact plants. A couple of real special plants here. Aussie Sunset Cosmic Fire. Look, guys, this is the only plant. One piece. I'll make sure I say it again. Only piece available. There's only one. Unfortunately, ridiculously expensive because the plant is so stupid rare now. It's one of those Americlone. This is actually a Americlone from H&R. It's not an original piece. It is Americlone. We're very clear on that. But you cannot find these now, and the flower is off the charts beautiful. One of the most striking Cattleya flowers that you will see. And along that line, this is a hybrid made from that plant. So this is Tropical Sunset Cheer Girl crossed on Aussie Sunset Cosmic Fire. Almost an improvement on that flower. Now that one has a little more notoriety because of name recognition. This one's called Laura Sanchez, variety Over the Rainbow. This is our award on this plant. Got an AM. It's a fantastic flower. So wait till you see the picture on that. A couple more things. We got a Schomburgkia here. This is Cinnamon Crisp Whirligig. This is from Arbeck Orchids. Now, this is an original piece from Arbeck Orchids. We bought the collection back, I guess, about 5 years ago. Roger Cole went out of business. We got a bunch of his plants. Wait to see the flower on this. This is Gloriosa crossed on Rupiculus Lalius. You get these tall stems like these skinny orange flowers. It's a crazy looking thing. But you see a real robust plant. This will take real quickly. Grow really well down in South Florida or pretty much anywhere as long as you got the space for it. We'll get a tall stem on it with small flowers. A couple more plants from down there. We've got a couple Trianis. This is a real strong plant. This is Rogerson's C545 number 5. Bill Rogerson's cross. I believe this was Cashin's by Self, if I'm not mistaken. Definitely Cashin's is the parent. I don't know if it was a Self thing or crossed on something else. I don't have the information in front of me. I should have it in the listing, but looks just like a Cashin's. Beautiful big round flowers with a splash petal, so a real chunky piece there. And then a couple of sort of more rare Trianis. This one's an albescens called Madre Perla, or Mother of Pearl. This one is actually from a private collection in Japan. So you're not going to see this one around very often, but small piece, nice roots just cracking on it. Should take right off. Check that guy out. And the last plant, this is Triani Semi-Alba Ronaldo. There again, this is also from the same private collection in Japan. We do have buds part with the sheath, but lots of new roots just cracking on it too, so we figured to list it this week. So remember, like, share, subscribe, all those things. We'd appreciate you guys looking. Check out the eBay listings this week, and appreciate your patience too. We will be updating our website as soon as I can. Lots going on here, like I said. Hopefully we get to it in the next couple weeks because we're going to stop shipping probably in a month or so from now. So we're going to take a look, try to get some new fresh stuff on there. We've got lots of stuff coming. If not, then we'll have a stockpile for next year. But we appreciate you guys. Like you guys going on our website, checking out what we have, and we really appreciate y'all. We'll see you next time.